Good morning, students. How are you? Hope that you all are fine. In today, we have taken your test, and the same test is going to be discussed on this video. The first one is that the span of management. What is span of management? So there are four options: number of subordinates at lower level, total number of managers, number of subordinates under a superior, or number of levels in the organization. So as you know that the span of management refers to number of subordinates under a superior. It is related to how many juniors or how many subordinates are working under a superior, or how many subordinates are following the order of superior or his senior. Next MCQ is the form of organization structure in which easy to fix responsibility. In which type of form of organization the responsibility can be fixed? So it can be fixed in formal organization. The responsibility can be fixed under the special in the formal organization. Is that clear? Now students, this is a true and false. Yes, this is true and false. This is fill-up. This is fill-ups. In the first fill-up, dash forms of organization spread rumors. In which form of organization rumors is spread? As we know that there are two types of organization, formal and informal. And formal is in written and informal in oral. So the rumor is spread under the informal organization. Downward transfer of authority from a superior to subordinate is known as. When the authority is ट्रांसफ़र टू अ सुपीरियर टू सबॉर्डिनेट, जब एक सुपीरियर अपनी अथॉरिटी को एक सबॉर्डिनेट को ट्रांसफर कर देता है, दैट इज नॉन एज डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी. Next one is three elements of delegation of authority. As you know that authority, responsibility and accountability are the three elements of delegation of authority. Next one is dispersal of decision making authority to all level is known as. When we dispersal the authority means when we distribute the authority, when we transfer the complete authority to all the level, this is called as the decentralization. And just opposite, the concentration of decision making power at the top level is known as the centralization. Do you know that now? When the power is concentrated in one hand or at the top level, it is known as the centralization. And when this decision making power is dispersal at the different level, is known as the decentralization. Next one is a true false. Informal organization exists within a formal setup. Informal organization exists with a setup of formal setup. True. Yes, because informal organization is also the part of a type of formal, because when people interact each other, they establish a social responsibility, a social relationship. It creates the informal organization. Next one is span of management should be large at the top level of management. No, the span of management should not be large at the top of level of management, because it becomes difficult to manage the things if the subordinates are large in numbers. Students, we have discussed the today test. I hope that you all understand, you all would be able to attempt. You have all attempted this. Thank you for today videos. In tomorrow next videos we will discuss of the next topic. Thank you students. Thanks. This is a test for today.